So you can check if the class is missed or if you are not able to understand any topic, or you can ask with me also in the next class. So today I am going to start a chapter number 7. This is the decimal. Okay. Uh, so first, take out open the book and open page number 110. Now first, what is decimal? What is decimal? The basically the decimal is the number expressed, the number expressed in decimal form. Decimal form means decimal is represented by dot. Decimal is represented by dot. Here decimal is represented by dot. And now let us understand decimals more. So first I tell you the place value of the decimal. How we, uh, because we know that there is a place value for every whole number. So there is a place value for the decimal number also. Suppose I put a number in block, then it will be easy to recognize or understand. 6. Suppose the number is 1043.496. This is the very first thing कि how to pronunciate this number. The number is 1043 dot या point 496 is a 496 is wrong pronunciation for this, because after the decimal we have to listen carefully. We have to read the number individually. Means 1043.496 is the correct pronunciation for this number. Or according to place value, according to place value, 3 is at unit place, 4 10 place, 0 100 place, and 1 is the thousand place. Clear? Then how do we represent, how do we say 4 9, what do we say 4 9 and 6? So this is 10th, th 10th place. This means it's 4 by 10. 9 is 100. 100 means 9 upon 100, and 6 is 1000 means 6 upon 1000. Now it is clear? Good. Everyone must write in their classwork copy. Hmm. So if the number is this, then uh, anyone tell me what is the face value of 3? फेस वैल्यू का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फेस वैल्यू? ये तो हमने पढ़ लिया कि फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 इज 3, बट व्हाट इज फेस वैल्यू? एक्चुअली व्हाट इज फेस वैल्यू? आई वांट टू नो. आस्था? 3 का 3 मुझे क्या पता कि 3 को ऐसे लिखते हैं? आई वांट टू नो। मुझे नहीं पता। सपोज आई एम नॉट एबल टू नो, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज 3 as 3, then how do you tell me what is the face value of 3? Because this is at a unit place, so the place is clear कि this is the first number, so we can say that it is a unit place. But in the term of maths, what is the face value of 3? We know that the answer is 3, face value of 3 is 3, लेकिन what is face value? Face value just for recognition of any digit, any number. If it is simple for the recognition, then what is the meaning of value here? Any answer? Face value means that how the number looks. How do the number looks? Because 3 3 दिखेगा, 4 4 ही दिखेगा, because every number are different and the value is 3. How do the number looks? It looks like 3 and the value is 3. So the face value of any number, the number itself, the face value of any number or digit, basically face value of any digit is the number itself or digit itself, number itself. ठीक है, तो तुमने कोशिश ठीक अच्छा किया था। व्हाट्स योर नेम? क्या नाम? आस्था। गुड। ठीक है, बट सबको इसका आंसर मालूम होना चाहिए। फेस वैल्यू मीन्स हाउ डू द नंबर लुक लाइक एंड द वैल्यू मीन्स दैट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू फॉर 3। मैथ्स में हर एक चीज के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू है। इफ इट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड देन वी से दैट दे आर वेरिएबल। एक्स वाई जेड कुछ भी हम लेट करके करते हैं तो दैट इज द वेरिएबल। if the value is fixed, then 3 is a constant. So 3 is a fixed value, so it is a constant. Clear? आगे बढ़े। तो आगे इसको हटा रहा हूँ मैं। हाँ बोलो। So now, that's okay. Okay. So now it is clear. Face value means how the number look like, and then second, what is the value for that number? And this is a constant, so the values are fixed. If it is 3, then the value is 3 only. If it is 4, then the value is 4 only. Okay. Now let us see decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. So decimal fraction, basically the fraction in which the denominator, denominators are 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Clear? So when the denominator are the multiple of 10, then this is the decimal fraction. If the denominator are the multiple of 10, so it will be a decimal fraction. यहाँ पर हमें डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन का कोई काम है तो उसको डेसिमल में लिखने के लिए, सपोज वो तो ऑलरेडी मैं 10th और वो कर चुका हूँ। सपोज अब अगर कोई नंबर है 23/10, then anyone tell me the answer? How do we represent it in decimal? अच्छा ठीक है 2.3। अच्छा अब मुझे ये बताओ कि हम इसको बोलेंगे क्या? 23/10 को हम क्या बोलेंगे? वुड बी से टेंथ नहीं, 10th, 23/10 क्या बोलेंगे हम इसको? क्लियर? इसका मतलब हो गया 20 + 3/10। क्लियर? 23/10 means 23/10 23/10 means 2.3, and if we write in expanded form, sorry, not 20, it's 2 plus 3/10. Clear? Because 10, 2 is at a 2 is at unit digit, and 3 is at the tenth. So 23/10 is the pronunciation for this, and we can represent the dot with basically decimal by dot. Clear? Now, if it is if it is 1/100, then what will be right? This is, what is the fraction? What is this fraction called? It's 1/100th. 1/100th. th. You can use 100th. इसको हम बोलेंगे क्या? It's 1/100th. It's a 100th. th sound आना है. So how do we represent in decimal? So this is the 100, 0.01. We can represent the whole number with 0. Clear? Because the unit digit is 0, because this is the hundredths place digit. So we can represent unit digit as 0, point, then 0, because the tenth place is empty. Tenth place is empty. Now the hundredth place we have to put 1. So it is 100. And if we write in expanded form, it will be like this. Is it be clear? ये समझने के लिए, वरना हम डायरेक्टली इसको 1/100 लिख सकते हैं, 1/100 लिख सकते हैं. अभी इसी में एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं तो और भी ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा. सपोज इट इज 23/100, देन व्हाट वी से? तब हम क्या बोलेंगे? वेरी गुड. 2300 means there is no whole number. So the first number is 0, then point, then 2, and then 3. And what is this? What is the expanded form for this? 0 plus 2/10. Arey, just mute their voice. If you want to talk with someone, you can just mute their voice. You just mute their voice while talking with anyone. Now it is 2300. So this is the uh, this is how we write in a decimal form, 0.23, because 3 is the hundredth place digit, and if we write expanded form, then it will be 0 plus 2/10 plus 3/100. Now it is clear? Sorry. Now if if the denominator is 1000, so it means that, suppose it is 145/1000. So what we say, हम क्या कहेंगे? This is 150. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? जल्दी से बताओ. 145 थाउजेंड. थ तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. थ, थाउजेंड क्या होता है? जे जे कहाँ से आ गया भाई? थाउजेंड, थाउजेंड, लास्ट लेटर इज थ, लास्ट लेटर इज थ, ये सुनाई देना चाहिए, थाउजेंड. सो यू हैव टू प्रोनाउंस, बिकॉज अब अगर तुम किसी को बता रहे हो तो यू हैव टू प्रोनाउंस ना. अगर तुमने बोला 145,000, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय 145,000? वो तो ऐसे लिख देगा 145 कॉमा 1000, हो गया जी 145,000. दिस इज द राइट आंसर फॉर 145,000. If it is 1,000, if it is 1,000, suppose 145,000, then we have to write 145 upon 1,000. Na? If your pronunciation is not right for that, then कोई भी नहीं लिख पाएगा. तो कुछ जगहों पे नंबर्स को, नंबर मैथ्स में जो कॉम्प्लिकेशन आता है, दिस इज द कॉम्प्लिकेशन बेसिकली. 145,000 यू हैव टू ट्राई टू से. अब तुम्हें बोलना तो खुद ही सीखना पड़ेगा, बट दिस इज 1000, यू हैव टू लास्ट में थ को जोड़ो, कोशिश करो, हो जाएगा. इट्स ओके, इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. So now the 145,000, we know that this is, first number is 0 and this is 1, 2, 3. So we point and this. Now the 5 is at the thousandth place. Clear? This is the decimal form, and if we write in expanded form, this is like this. Is it be clear? Sorry. Now it is clear. अभी कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं पूछूंगा और सभी आंसर्स करेंगे. बट एक बार एक स्टूडेंट एक ही बार आंसर करेगा, रिपीट नहीं करेगा, और अपना पहले नाम बोलेगा और उसके बाद ही और शी विल गिव आंसर. यस, वन बाय वन. स्टार्ट विथ फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट. हाँ, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेल what you have to pronounce, then and everyone wait for the partners. Now Priyanshu, मैंने बोला पहले इसको बताओ कि क्या बोलेंगे. What you have to say. ध्यान से देखो, ये 1000 है, हंड्रेड्स नहीं, हंड्रेड्स, हंड्रेड्स. तुम बोल रहे हंड्रेड्स, हंड्रेड्स, हंड्रेड्स. Yes, 4,500, 4,500. Now tell me the decimal number for this. And what is the expanded form for this? Expanded form. Listen carefully. First you have to listen the instruction. सबसे पहले बोलने की भी जल्दी होती है और गलत बोलने की भी जल्दी होती है. You have to listen. First you have to listen the instruction first. Then you can answer or you will answer. Yes, 0 plus. Now we are doing the expanded form. Expand form, expanded form. Now tell me, 0 plus. What do you mean by 410? Now see, this is the answer. Divyanshu, now tell me the answer. Divyanshu, is it visible to all now? Now Divyanshu, tell me the answer. Okay. Astha, tell me the answer first. First, very good, very nice. So what is the decimal form? Good. 0.99, very nice. 99 नहीं बोलना है. अगर 99 बोलते हैं तो it must be it will be long. Okay, now 0.99. How do we represent in expanded form? Easy. 9 upon 10. Easy. Okay. Now the decimal fraction is over. Now the like and unlike decimal. So how what is like and unlike decimal? It totally depend upon the it totally depend of the it totally depend of the place after decimal. It's totally depend upon the ये किसकी आवाज आ रही है मेरे को किसकी आवाज आ रही है like and unlike decimal is just the place of uh, place or place value after decimal. See 9.82 and 6.035. See after the decimal is hundredth place and here after the decimal is thousandth place. So this is hundredth place, this is thousandth place. So this is the unlike decimal. So this is the unlike decimal. So 9.82, the last place who is who is doing like this? ये कौन कर रहा है?